International Women's Day is celebrated every year on the 8th of March. Starting in the early 1900s, the day was spurred out of a push for a day of international recognition of women. And yes, a whole lot of push for the day was from the US and in Europe, given the nature of first wave feminism, but basically the recognition of women is an issue faced all around the world. The lack of recognition of women in decision-making spaces, access to law, and equality in society, all of these issues still remain today. To continue the push for equality, organizations here at home have been doing their own thing, and a lot of the celebration of International Women's Day started last week, with the date falling on a Sunday. For one, the Fiji Women's Crisis Center continued its annual Reclaim the Night March. Given the Crisis Center's work, the march fits into its niche, but don't get me wrong, it's not necessarily a small niche. Violence permeates all parts of society, and addressing it is no small task, given that violence can range from a number of things, not just physical but emotional, and also institutional, where the system just sets itself up for discrimination and violence. It's great. But of course there were other organizations celebrating the day. For one, FWRM had a fun day at the Sakuna Park in Suva. There had also been events throughout last week held by the Fiji Association of Women Graduates. This coming week, FemLink Pacific's Community Media Center will be open for the public, and as per usual, FemLink Pacific pushes to have International Women's Day and the recognition of women every day with their suitcase radio station. And if you're wondering what's any of this got to do with you, well, here's the thing. Half the world, maybe more, maybe less, is female. For many women, facing discrimination on a daily basis has unfortunately become a kind of a norm. This should not be okay and should never be okay. This situation worsens if a woman is from a particular background, a particular ethnicity, religious identity, sexual orientation or gender expression or identity, thus making it an even more difficult place for a woman if she is a little bit different. In terms of the global push for International Women's Day, at its core, it's all about the recognition of women, the celebration of women's achievements, socially, economically, or politically. Achievements that often go overlooked. Generally, the day is about a continued call for equality and justice for 50% of the world. It's consciousness raising, because women deserve better than what they have had. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.